And tell me about don't come to another story for all of you guys. Naira Marley just cancelled this protest against SARS. He tweeted on Twitter saying, "We won't be protesting anymore because there's a lot of changes being made right now. As a Malian, we will give them a week to see the changes, and if there's no changes, we will start a mass protest. Hashtag together we can." He also went on to repost all the Nigerian police force tweets. At official Naira Marley, the Inspector General of Police wishes to inform Nigerian youths that their voices and complaints on the issues of unprofessional conduct by some SARS operatives have been heard very loudly and clear. The leadership of the NPF worked with the Ministry of Youth and other stakeholders, including youth leaders, youth entrepreneurs, CSOs, and others, in formulating and implementing consensual reforms. Today, Tuesday, 6th October 2020, by 11 a.m., the first DCP, Frank MBA, will be having a live Instagram chat with Naira Marley to answer questions and discuss the concerns of young Nigerians on the issues of SARS operations and other burning issues. Please stay tuned. Naira Marley tweeted, "Malians, feel free to join the live and ask any question you want. Hashtag together we can." Nigeria Police Force tweets, "The force is irrevocably committed to changing these narratives and undertaking far-reaching reforms to reposition SARS and other tactical squads for better service delivery. The orders and restrictions on the operations of SARS and others already issued by the IGP are just the initial steps out of the many reforms planned for the tactical squads." He then went on to tweet, "The protest was a cry for change. Nigerian youths and citizens should feel safe. The government have promised to make changes. Whilst we anticipate their action, it's important to stick together to sort the issues on ground. Hashtag endsarsbrutality. Hashtag end police brutality." Nigerians have been having issues coming to terms with Naira Marley decision. Some are happy with it, some are okay with it. Why some just think that it isn't right for him to just cancel his protest on the morning of the protest. Although Naira Marley has been coming to terms with some solutions since he's been having discussions with the police force. We hope this ends SARS brutality. As Naira Marley said, he's giving them a week, and if nothing is being done, the protest will still hold. Any other news on these issues will be brought to all of you guys. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified whenever I post a new video. See you when I see ya.